In this video, we will review Quicken Classic Deluxe. Quicken Classic Deluxe is a well-rounded personal finance software that has range of features to help users manage their finances, track spending and plan for their future. It allows you to sync bank accounts and credit cards and investments, providing a comprehensive view on your financial situation. The software's budgeting tool helps users set and monitor spending goals, while its retirement planning features assist in projecting how much you need to reach to save for retirement. Additionally, Quicken Classic Deluxe includes bill payment tracking and tax tools to help you stay on top of your financial obligations. While it offers solid reporting and forecasting features, some users find that the interface is slightly outdated compared to newer competitors. The software also lacks some advanced investment tracking availability in Quicken's high-tier plans. Overall, Quicken Classic Deluxe is ideal for many users who want a reliable personal finance management software that focuses on budgeting and basic retirement planning, but is not the best choice for those seeking more advanced tools or a modern interface. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.